If you want to delete a Snapchat group that you created, this tutorial will show you the fastest way to do it, step by step. A lot of users think Snapchat has a direct delete group option, but that's actually not available right now. First, open the Snapchat app and go to the chat section at the bottom of the screen. Now find the group that you created. You can either open it directly from your chats or tap on the groups section to see all your Snapchat groups in one place. Once you open the group chat, tap on the group profile icon at the top. After that, tap the three-dot menu in the upper right corner to open the group settings. Here you'll see options like group name, notification setting, add members to group, and chat settings. One important thing to know is that Snapchat currently does not let users permanently delete a group chat, even if you created it. So the only available method is to leave the group. To do that, scroll group. Then confirm by tapping Leave Again. After that, the group chat will be removed from your account and you'll successfully leave the Snapchat group. And that's it. That's how to delete or remove a Snapchat group you created in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Snapchat tips, Snapchat tutorials, and social media how-to videos.